connecting with everyone.
Hi, I'm Sita. I'm very excited for this food and I'm
Actually, fine if you don't like this part of it, take it off.
she's Kanchan. She's from Chhattisgarh. She's a cute girl.
Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, the 19th of October and tomorrow is Diwali. So guys, this is evening time and you can hear a lot of bird noises and of course crackers also. So I got a phone call followed by a message from HR. So I received the invitation and they will be picking us up at 7 p.m. and right now the time is 6:30, so I have started getting ready. So I thought, why don't I just record this special moment, like how your college team makes you feel so special when you are away from home and you are staying back in the hostel during the holidays. So I will be talking and getting ready at the same time so that we could save up some time. So I came to know about this invitation only today, and even if it is a last minute also, I am happy. Actually, I am grateful that they are doing a lot to make you feel at home. So that's why I'm getting ready so happily. And you know, I am very terrible at applying kajal looking at the camera. So I will just apply and come back. So I'm done with the kajal. Next, my lips. Other staffs are there and few students are there, but some of them are in B block and some of them are in C block. And I stay in A block and I am the only one staying in A block. Once you start getting ready, you started getting all sweaty. Let me just wear my sandals. So I have changed my sandal. I'll just leave my hair open. Yeah. And then this is how my dupatta looks. So I'll just take it in one side. And I think I am good to go. Nothing much heavy because it might rain also. In Coimbatore, monsoon is still going on. See the peacock. Always. So now I have started heading out from my hostel. Badmaas. So today I have got a very wonderful crowd. So I will introduce you one by one.
Hi, I'm Aisha. I don't know what to speak, but ma'am want to try to take a video.
I'm Radhika. I don't know what we now, so I'll be thinking.
Hi, I'm Poonam and I'm very happy to be here and I'm waiting for the food.
Hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm just looking forward to connecting with everyone.
Hi, I'm Sita. I'm very excited for the food and this is my first time coming in this place, so I'm eager to know what will be next.
Hi, Kanchan.
इंट्रोड्यूस कराओ ना
Okay.
यूट्यूब में उसके बाद देखेंगे.
Okay. She is Kanchan. She is from Chhattisgarh. She is a cute girl. Oh, big mistake. Not a big mistake. Chalega. She is our ma'am. She is from Assam, Manipur. Okay. Again mistake, but this is not a big mistake. She is Shita. She is from Jharkhand, and she. Okay. You can.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Okay. So bye. Milte.
Hi guys, now we are done with the dinner and about to head back to hostel, and I have met some pretty girls today. They are from K class. Say something.
Please like, share and subscribe ma'am channel. Okay, bye. मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में.